fix Microsoft Edge not loading images in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Disable extensions. Because extensions can sometimes interfere with the normal operation of the browser, disabling them in Microsoft Edge can resolve the issue of images not loading. Method 2. Try the In Private window. Method 3. Allow site permissions for images. By default, there should be no sites under the block section. If some sites you want to access are added to the block list, you can delete them. Method 4. Clear Edge cache. Method 5. Update Microsoft Edge.